Hey guys, Chris here, TD Motion. So, anyone that's ordering a Coyote engine and transmission package, what's next to me, obviously it's going to be what you're going to get. You're going to get the pulleys, you're going to get the control pack, the transmission, and some of the fittings. So, we do offer installation packages. This one is for a whole Bronco, early Bronco Coyote conversion kit. We offer them for F100 trucks, for early Mustangs, for the kit cars, etc. So what we have here is going to be well over probably 98% of what you need to do the engine and drivetrain installation. So again, this one specifically is for the Bronco. There's going to be some variables for whether it be if it's a two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Again, for Mustang trucks, there's some differences there. But let's just kind of quickly go through it here. I'll start over on this side. We have, of course, the radiator. It's going to come with the fan, the shroud. You have the control pack, the ECU, the throttle pedal, all your lines for fuel lines, for feed and return, the regulator, the pre and post filter. We have over here, and I'm going all over the place here, but we have the electric fan with the transmission cooler, and then we have the mounts over here, the air inlet kit, H pipe, all the hardware to do the job, and the oil cooler adapter here. So some other miscellaneous pieces that I missed, but this generally covers it. It's very complete, and it's all available at tdmotion.com.